Hello, welcome back to my channel again, IQ07. Okay, in this video, I will provide good information for you, namely cool face filter application for those of you who would like to do face filter. Where in this video, I will recommend 5 cool and suitable application for you. But before we go into the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get the latest information about the application. Okay, let's go straight to the video. Banuba. Banuba is the best selfie app with a selection of more than 100 face filters and also the new AR game. In addition to various cute filter provided, you can also use the beautify filter to make your appearance more attractive. You can also make photos and video with this Banuba application. And what are the cool things you can get from this application? Face changer feature become a Hollywood actor, then this app also has voice changer feature and funny face filter emoji maker. TuneMe. TuneMe is a face changing app that's work for tune your face into cartoon or vector style automatically without difficult editing. Because this application has many filter facilities and desire, and for the features contained in this application are full body cartoon maker, vector portrait template, and many simple layout with advanced design. So if you want to display the new cartoon profile picture, then download this application immediately. iFunFace. iFunFace is an application that can make cool funny videos through a photo. This application has various filters and funny effects on photos to become a complete video. For the appearance of iFunFace, easy to understand for a beginner. There are also various filters, sound effect to funny sticker and that you can use. Editing does require a little editing skill. But with iFunFace, you don't have to think about it. FaceApp. FaceApp is one of the best photo editing mobile apps, which are widely used as selfies that have been downloaded more than 500 million times. FaceApp provides everything you need to make Instagram like edit for free. And the cool thing about this application is that it can change the gender of your photo into anything. Like getting all children then changing yourself to be beautiful and handsome. For this application, you can get it on the Play Store. Reface. Okay, for those of you who want to make your face into a film, then the Reface application can be the answer. This Reface application is really cool face swap application in my personal opinion, that can make someone's face enter into a video. This application provides a lot of video footage that you can use to be creative. And the cool thing for the face swap application is that it looks real. This application is suitable for those who don't have editing skill. And if you want to try this application, you can get it directly on Play Store. TuneApp. TuneApp is a face filter application that's focused on vector cartoon drawing. Whereas this application very suitable for those of you who want to create a vector image in a short, fast, and easy way without doing complicated editing. For this application, you can get it on the Play Store. So that's an application that can help you in doing face filter. Hopefully it is useful. Maybe that's all for our current video. I'm the admin of the IQ07 channel. See you in the next video.